The sheriff said 37-year-old Maurice Clemence is one of the several people investigators want to talk to, and that he could not be called a suspect at this. Clemence has an extensive violent criminal history in the state of Arkansas, including...
Everything's gonna be fine, trust me. Yeah, Zach's here.
Yeah, tell Mr. Strap said hey. We'll return the phone tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we're going as a group, don't worry about us. It's only camping. Yeah, but anyway, I've got a biology exam.
Yeah, I don't really care, mate.
Wait! Oh my god, I don't even want to be in this shithole. I've already got mud in my nails and we've only been here for 5 flipping minutes. And this stupid tent is driving me crazy. For God's sake, Damon, don't just sit there and laugh. Help me!
Babe, just calm down and let me do it.
When's dinner?
I don't know, I think Damon's gone out to get the logs.
Oh, here he is.
Guys, do you fancy doing a what, Alona? A seance.
What's a seance?
Oh my god, are you an actual idiot?
Yeah, I'm up for that.
Damon, are you being serious?